Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this flawless look. So lately I've been having a few skin issues and I just wanted to show you guys how I do my makeup and how I cover it. So I'm going to start by doing my eyebrows. I'm using this brush I got from Anastasia and a dip brow I also got from Anastasia. So here I'm like outlining the bottom of my eyebrow. I don't make them thicker, I just follow the natural like line. I don't add on at the bottom. Maybe when I get to the top I may add a little bit more just for thickness, but I don't do too much. Right here I'm just tracing the bottom, like connecting the dots, because look, when I was growing up I had really full thick eyebrows. After getting them plucked and getting them waxed and getting them threaded, I have no eyebrows. So here I'm just connecting the dots. You guys will see. So also here you'll see that I'm doing like light strokes back and forth, just to get that perfect brow. You see here also too, I was telling you that I add a little height to my brows at the top, not at the bottom though, at the top. I kind of like go in the direction of the hair so it looks more natural. I'ma slow it down. Also, I haven't got my eyebrows done in I don't know how long, so they're all out of whack. So when I'm doing my brows, I'm trying to make them more clean and more put together. So when I'm doing my brows also, I fill them in and then I brush them to make them look softer, because I don't want them too harsh. I don't want them just dark. So I brush them to make it a little soft. But I can't keep this up, girl, I know it. I'ma go ahead and show it now. Pump the brakes and I'ma slow it down, yeah. They will come through and be gone in the morning. Lay it down all night. But I know that ain't the me that you wanted. Alright, you know I got you, baby. Bottles in the air, you're popping out. Red bottles when you walk around. Girl, I know I get around. But I'ma slow it down, yeah. I'ma slow it down. So once you finish both brows, you'll take a nice concealer. I use a concealer that matches my skin. I don't use the concealer that's like way off, because I don't like it when my brows are like white underneath or white at the top. Not cute. But I'll list below in the description what color I used and what palette this is.
They tried to copy the image, but baby, you know that I made you my centerfold. These days, man, I got it all. Try to chase me, but I'm not involved. Mom told me I should set it off. Took advice and now I'm better off.
And this is like easy peasy, guys. All you do is trace the bottom and the top. That's all you do. You don't do anything extra. If you want more clean brows, this is how you do it.
So bitter. Everybody run the game, but the things you do make a nigga reconsider.
You know I got you, baby. Bottles in the air, you're popping out. Red bottles when you walk around. Girl, I know I get around. But I'ma slow it down, yeah. I'ma slow it down, yeah. Girl, I know I get around. You know I got you, baby. Bottles in the air, you're popping out. Red bottles when you walk around. Girl, I know I get around.
So guys, this is my favorite foundation. It's Cover FX. It's cruelty free, it's vegan, it's the bomb. Literally, this is the only foundation that I've been using that hasn't been breaking my face out more. Typically I'll put concealer on first and then put foundation on, but I noticed that when I do that, when I take my makeup off, my skin is completely broken out worse. So with Cover FX, I don't have to do that. I just literally put the foundation on. And also when I usually do my makeup, I usually use about 2 layers. So when the first layer dries, I'll put a second layer of foundation on, because it's lightweight and it's not like really heavy and cakey. And I want to make sure that I cover all of my dark spots. But I wanted to show you guys a quick tutorial, so I didn't want to do too much. I'm also applying it with this blender I got from Target. It's literally awesome. I'll link that in the description as well. I'm going to use a beauty blender as well, but I'm going to use a beauty blender for my concealer, not for my foundation. So you'll see up ahead. OMG, I'm so bummed, guys. I forgot to use my primer first. Oh, I'm so mad. But here's the primer that I usually use. It's HourGlass Veil. So here's my concealer. I'm gonna place it under my eyes, in the middle of my forehead, and on my chin.
You know I got you, baby. Bottles in the air, you're popping out. Red bottles when you walk around. Girl, I know you know I get around, but I'ma slow it down, yeah. I'ma slow it down, yeah. Hey, bagging shawties in hotels, baby, hopping, in and out, they come through, got them dropping. Girl, I stay far, GPS it, off Ventura, in Bonecca. Take a few shots to that hand, we be on it.
Okay, so now I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend.
But I can't keep this up, girl, I know it. I'ma go ahead and show it now. Pump the brakes and I'ma slow it down, yeah. They will come through and be gone in the morning. Lay it down all night. But I know that ain't the me that you wanted. Alright, alright. You know I got you, baby. Bottles in the air, you're popping out. Red bottles when you walk around.
So up next we have bronzer. I got this bronzer from a professional makeup store here in Los Angeles. And I'm just going to apply it from the top of my ear and go down. And then I'm going to blend it out. I'm also going to frame my forehead and put a little on my chin.
You know I get around, but I'ma slow it down, yeah. I'ma slow it down,
yeah. Look, I swear that this feeling is personal. Just a few things I should let you know. They tried to copy the image, but baby, you know that I made you my centerfold. These days, man, I got it all. Try to chase me, but
so I'm going to take my MAC brush and I'm going to blend out my bronzer. I'm going to blend it until I do not see the harsh line anymore. Because the key to makeup, guys, is blending. So blend, blend, blend.
Tell them niggas they can go figure. Swear we got them looking so bitter. Everybody run the game, but the things you do make a nigga reconsider.
You know I got you, baby. Bottles in the air, you're popping out. Red bottles when you walk around. Girl, I know you know I get around.
Now after I'm finished with my brush, I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and I'm going to blend out a little bit more.
Girl, I know you know I get around. You know I got you, baby. Bottles in the air, you're popping.
So now it's time to set everything. So I'm going to take all my setting powders and I'm going to set my entire face. I will link everything below in the description of what exactly I used in the products and my setting spray.
Play away, yeah. Used to try all these hoes for the moment. Used to stand out like 4 in the morning. But I'm trying to relax, ease my mind. Spiritual conversations, tell me the dreams you chase.
So while I let everything bake, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes. I'm using this beautiful palette. And I'm only doing a nude look. So I'm only going to use 2 colors.
So used to getting to it, smashing and running through it. It would come through and be gone in the morning. Lay it down all night. But I know that ain't the me that you wanted. Alright, alright. You know I got you, baby. Bottles in the air, you're popping out. Red bottles when you walk.
This is just a disclaimer. I didn't say this in the beginning, but I'm in no way, shape, or form a professional makeup artist. This is just how I like to do my makeup.
You know I got you, baby. Bottles in the air, you're popping out. Red bottles when you walk around. Girl, I know you know I get around. But I'ma slow it down, yeah. I'ma slow it down, yeah. Hey, bagging shawties in hotels, we be hopping. In and out, they come through, got them dropping. Girl, I stay far, GPS it, off Ventura, in Bonecca. Take a few shots to that hand, we be on it. Girl, I know you want it now. Won't link with your friends till the morning now. But I can't keep this up, girl, I know it. I'ma go ahead and show it now. Pump the brakes and I'ma slow it down, yeah. They will come through and be gone in the morning. Lay it down all night. but I know that ain't the me that you wanted. Alright, you know I got you, baby. Bottles in the air, you're popping out. Red bottles when you walk around. Girl, I know you know I get around, but I'ma slow it down, yeah. I'ma slow it down, yeah. Girl, I know you know I get around. You know I got you, baby. Bottles in the air, you're popping out. Red bottles when you walk around. Girl, I know you know I get around, but I'ma slow it down, yeah. I'ma slow it down,
yeah. Look, I swear that this feeling is personal. Just a few things I should let you know. They tried to copy the image, but baby, you know that I made you my centerfold. These days, man, I got it all. Try to chase me, but I'm not involved. Mom told me I should set it off. Took advice and now I'm better off. Never gotta flex when a boy go off. Making every ex nigga take that loss, cause you messing with the best.
So after I've gotten all the setting powder off, this is totally optional, but I do go in with a little bit more bronzer, and I go in and just a little bit more. And then I'm gonna go in after this with the kabuki brush and just blend everything completely out.
I'ma slow it down, yeah. Girl, I know you know I get around. You know I got you, baby. Bottles in the air, you're popping out. Red bottles when you walk around. Girl, I know you know I get around, but I'ma slow it down, yeah.
So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush, and I'm just gonna brush on a little bit because I already went in with the bronzer a little bit more, so I love to look bronzy, so I don't want to do too much with the blush.
Play away, eh.
So this is my favorite highlight in the world, guys. Like, Rihanna really outdid herself with this. This is the best highlight ever. All you have to do is just like swipe your finger across it and just swipe it on your face, literally.
Tell me the dreams you chasing, see what you about, searching your mind, and dive in your brain.
So I'm gonna take it and just put a little under my eyebrows and a little in my tear ducts because I love to ice myself out.
It will come through and be gone in the morning. Lay it down all night. But I know that ain't the me that you wanted.
So now I'm going to take this color eyeshadow and I'm going to hit my waterline with it just to open my eyes a little bit and make them pop. So this is another favorite highlight of mine. I got it from the makeup store here in Los Angeles. And I'm just going to go over everything I highlighted with that Rihanna Fenty. I'm going to go over everything because this really make everything like pop. Watch. See, look right here how it just makes the highlight pop. You see that? Amazing.
Got 'em dropping. Girl, I stay far. GPS it. Off Ventura. Amber Necker. Take a few shots to that hand. We be on it. Girl, I know you.
Now I'm going to set my brows with a little brow gel. This is also from Anastasia.
Girl, I know it. I'ma go ahead and show it now. Pump the brakes and I'ma slow it down, yeah. They will come through and be gone in the morning. Lay it down.
So being that I suck at lashes, I had to do my lashes and mascara off camera. And here's some lip gloss I got from Sephora, and this will complete the look.
Red bottles when you walk around. Girl, I know you know I get around, but I'ma slow it down, yeah. I'ma slow it down.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.
Red bottles when you walk around.